Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap. I traded ORCL this morning. It was not on my watch list, however, it was on a couple of the mods' watch lists, and including I think Andrew's. And I sat on my hands for a really long time this morning. It was hard for me to take a trade. I saw setups happening. I just couldn't force myself to take them for whatever reason. So I watched Peter's Mountain Pass strategy, his webinar yesterday, and it was a really great refresher because I've always really loved Peter's Mountain Pass, and I have used some of his rules and incorporated it with my own strategy. So when I saw this setting up, so this is a Mountain Pass inspired trade. I was watching it as it sold off really hard this morning, and it looked like it started finding a bottom. And you have the hammer doji here on the 5-minute, and also a hammer doji here on the 15-minute. Normally, I like to see a new high on the 15-minute chart before taking it long. But watching Peter's webinar last night gave me the courage to get a much better entry with much better risk to reward. So this is the 1-minute chart, and this is what I started watching really closely. I saw a ton of volume come in right here, a ton of buying volume come in off of this 75.90 level, which is an important daily level from back in April and May. And it came down, like I said, put a ton of volume in and started pushing up through the 9 and the 20. It didn't quite reach the 50, and it came back down and tried the low of the day again. And when it couldn't quite make it, and it just so happened to be at the same previous level right here, which I really like. It gives me a head and shoulders kind of feel. It started making a new 1-minute high, and that is where I went long right here. I went long here. My stop loss was here, and I took a 25% partial first right here at the 50 moving average on the 1-minute, which was also the 9 moving average on the 5 right here. Was the 9 moving average on the 5, the screen line is. And then I took another 25% partial at this 76.50 level, and then the rest were 50% partials. I took it at either daily levels that I had marked, and then the VWAP, and then here's another daily level. I think this was actually a pre-market level that I had marked. And then I had a few shares left. I had a range order set. I was either going to get stopped out below the VWAP if it lost this level, because it consolidated right here for a very long time. And it was either going to stop me out here, or my other goal was for the 78, which was the open price. But I had to leave the house, and I didn't want to leave open orders. So when it made a new 15-minute low right here, and it almost started looking like a double top, I went ahead and exited the rest of my position. But that is my Oracle trade for today. And here is the worst trade of the day. I do not know why I was in this. I had no business being in it, but I was taking it as a breakup. I thought it was going to reach yesterday's low, and when it started pushing up, I went long, and I tried it 3 times for the breakout, and the 3rd time I saw that it was clearly looking like a double top on the 1 and the 5-minute, and I felt pretty confident that it was not going to make it to yesterday's high, so I stopped after 3 attempts. And I did think about reversing my position to the short side, because you have the 9 and the 20 crossing over and curling down, the 50 coming up to meet it on the 1-minute. But I did not. I really like 15-minute confirmations. It did not give me a 15-minute confirmation for going short, so I did not take it. But those were my trades for the day. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.